For our business users, or what we like to call our biz tech users, a lot of the problems that we focus on are really around that productionizing it. And I'll show you in the demo later, but it's just so clean and easy to make your transformation and then schedule it and deploy it and just have it run every day, and doing that without having to go ask a data engineer for help. For our data analysts, it's similar to the business users where these people may not have all the skills or the permissions to deal with GitHub and writing Python to define an Airflow DAG. But then also, for most data analysts, they can use all the base functions in Snowflake, no problem, but then extending the functionality beyond that. So getting into some of the more complex UDFs, we have our slowly changing dimensions processor, and that's something that really extends the functionality of Snowflake beyond what you just get from those base functions. And then the problems that we're focused on for data engineers is that stuff with, like we said, you're spending a third of your time just troubleshooting and fixing broken pipelines rather than working on new fun problems and doing things that are creating net new value for the business.